Hi, I'm Stephanie Mears, and I had a double knee replacement with Dr. Zemlich. I've been struggling with arthritis for years, actually, and I got to the point where getting out of a chair was difficult. I sat in a chair that had a handrail, or I had to place my hands on a table or something to stand up. If there wasn't anything, I was in so much pain, I knew it was time to get something done. Dr. Zemlich has a very smooth bedside manner. He's very approachable, he's very patient when asking all your questions, because of course, if you've never had it done, there's a lot to ask about. And he just makes you feel better. He's reassuring, and that's something a lot of doctors don't do. The care that I received at Low Country Orthopedics has been amazing. Everybody wanted you to get better. You weren't just a number, you were an actual person, and you felt that way. Rehab was hands-on, they know you, they talk to you. You're part of the family, so I feel like I'm part of the Low Country Ortho family. If I have a friend that's concerned about having knee surgery, I tell them about the wonderful experience I had from start to finish, from the doctor consultation to the fabulous nurse practitioner Sarah, to my rehab cohorts of Kelly and Matt. Give them a shout out because they were great. Having these knee surgeries totally changed my life. I have 3 grandbabies, and I wasn't able to hold a grandbaby and stand up. And I know my grandkids worried, oh my gosh, she's gonna drop the baby. Now I can hold on to the baby, I can sit in a beach chair, and I can walk up a flight of stairs and not be afraid I'm gonna fall over.